Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, checking in with you on the Florida Trail in the Ocala National Forest, just off the Yearling Trail actually in that area. And I'm heading south on the Florida Trail right here towards the Juniper Prairie wilderness. A lot of rolling hills and upland pine forest through here. Quite beautiful. That's why I'm checking in right now with you as I come down into this rolling hill area. A lot of the trees here look burnt. They might have done some prescribed burns recently. But a lot of open prairie wilderness through here. Big scrub habitat and longleaf pine forest. Some areas are shaded and some areas are open, as we're coming into right now. And this Florida Trail is narrow through here and it's sandy, so it's quite comfortable to walk on. There's the hill we just came down from, and up right there over that ridge on top of that hill is the Yearling Trail, the historical Yearling Trail, which is pretty amazing. An old homes, an old family lived there a long time ago in the 1870s and established a homestead there. You can still see remnants of the area. And as you come out of that, you come into this wilderness. Wow, beautiful down here. I'll show you on the map where I'm at real quick too. Here we go. We are on the Florida Trail in the Ocala National Forest up here where that green square is, northern central Florida. We are near Lake George. Here's the Ocala National Forest area. Here's the Juniper Prairie wilderness, Hopkins Prairie, and the Yearling Trail, as I mentioned over here. And actually I'm right in this area right here on the Florida Trail heading towards Juniper Prairie. There's Pat's Island, and this brown trail right there, that's the Yearling Trail. So you can hike this south all the way down to Juniper Springs, and over here is Silver Glen Springs. Gives you an idea of where we're at here on this amazing section of the Florida Trail. Cloudy today here, but it's still nice out. Springtime here in Florida, late April. And it's nice out. The temperature is really cool today, about 75 degrees, no humidity, so it's really comfortable. The only thing I'm missing right now is the sunshine. But I have the fresh air in the wilderness here. It's all I need.